Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our third chapter, that is the decimals. In the previous classes, already we have discussed about that, what is that decimal, what is that place value decimals and what is that expanded form, and also we have discussed about that what is that decimal places or what is the decimal numbers. Okay, and today we are going to discuss about the students what is the comparison of the two decimals. Whenever which one is greater, which one is smaller, how like you have done that in fraction time, same as it, students, you have to identify which is greater. That means comparison of two decimals. Okay, comparison of decimals. And also today we are going to discuss about that how to express the rupees in term of decimals. Okay, let us discuss about that. First of all, what is that, which decimals are greater or smaller, we have to compare. So before that, get the idea, students. First of all, you have to whenever you are going to compare, first you have to remember the three steps, three methods you have to remember. That's the first step. What you have to do, how we are going to compare. Now listen carefully, students. Whenever you are going to compare that decimals or two decimals, at that time, you first of all you have to check, you have to compare whole part. Every decimal is having the two parts. One is whole part, another one is the decimal part. Okay, decimal point after, that is called as the decimal part, and whole decimal before place is called as a whole part, the whole number part. So first of all, left side decimal, left side what is the number is there, both decimal number you have to compare. That means whole part you have to compare. Then you have to, if both are equal, if suppose both whole part is equal, then go for the 10th place. 10th place means decimal of next first place. Decimal after first place you have to compare. If which one is greater, if that whose 10th place is greater, that number is greater. If both 10th place are equal, then go for the 100th place. Same as it is, go forward. Did you understand, friends? First of all, you have to compare that whole part of the decimal number. If whole part whose greater is there, that number decimal number is greater. If both whole part are same, then you have to go second step. That means you have to check, you have to compare the 10th place of the decimal. समझे क्या? पहले क्या करना है, whole part को compare करना, दो decimal का whole part you have to compare. ठीक है? Let us see by examples I have written. First you try to understand. So first step क्या करना है, whole part को check करना है. Whole part कौन सा है इधर? हमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखना है ए 14.998. क्यों रीडिंग कैसे करना है, 14.998. some students we are getting reading that error 14.919 you are saying, but not, that is not correct. You have to read it 14.998. okay, now और second one क्या है 15.001. now check that whole part कौन सा है. here whole part is decimal, whole part is this is called as a decimal part. so this is whole part and this is decimal part. so first of all check that whole part both. now 14 and 15 you have to check. so 15 is greater, so here 14 is smaller than 15, hence directly you can write, hence this number is decimal number is smaller than this. 14.998 is smaller than 15.001. Did you understand, friends? First of all check that the whole part. This no need to check, this is decimal part, don't want to check. Only you have to check that whole number part. Whole part if you compare, then according to that, if greater and smaller if you are finding which number is greater, that decimal number is greater. Okay. Second you can do that B is 3.02 or 3.20. now look at here, students, both here decimal part क्या है, same है. Roger that, sorry, whole part is same है. here this is whole part, this is whole part, both are same. if whole part are same, then we have to go the second step, 10th place. 10th place कौन सा है, this one is 10th place. here 0 is there, here 2 is there, so here 0, 10th place you can write here. also I will write here 10th place और क्या है 0 and 2. Hence 0 is smaller than 2. Hence we can get 3.02 is smaller than 3.20. क्यों? क्योंकि ये 10th प्लेस बड़ा है. ये सेम बोथ होल पार्ट सेम है, बट 10th प्लेस decimal after first place you have to check. Decimal first place is there 0. Here decimal after first place is 2. So 2 is greater than the 0. Hence this decimal second decimal is greater. Okay. So now I will do here one problem, friends. So third one, C. 2.684 or 2.681. Now first of all compare that whole part both are same. 10th place both are same. 100th place both are same. Again 1000th place you have to check. 1000th place is 4 here 1 is there. So we have to see here 1000th place are, what is that 1000th place? 4 and 1. So 4 is greater than 1. Hence हमें 1000 प्लेस में जब चेक करेंगे, क्यों चेक करेंगे? Here whole part both are same. 10th place also same. 100th place also same. But 1000th place we have to see. So from the left to you have to compare both number. You have to check and go right side. So now here hence what you can get? 2.684 is greater than 2.681. Did you understand, students, how to compare that? First of all, we have to see that, compare that any two decimals if you are given, or any three or whatever, if descending order, ascending order also you are given. First of all, you check that whole part of the decimal number. If whole part, if according to that greater and smaller, that number if you can find out. If both whole part are same, then you go for decimal after first place. That means 10th place you should go. 10th place if you say compare, if smaller or greater, then you can easily find out. If smaller or greater, if both are same, if whose are greater, then that number decimal part is greater, total decimal number is greater. But if suppose 10th place is both decimal number are same, then you go for the 100th place you should compare. 100th place if same, then you go for 1000. If not same, then you compare 100th place, which one is greater, which 100th place is greater, that decimal number is also greater. Okay. Now look at here, students. I have written that example 2. Express as rupees using decimals, like that rupees, weightage like kilograms. Okay, time. You can do this. But students, here I have written that one. Express as rupees using the decimals. Decimals में कैसे express करना है? So see students, look at here. One 18 पैसे is there. First one question is there. 18 पैसे. 18 पैसे मतलब 1 rupee how much पैसे? 100 पैसे. Yes. Solution we can do the students. 1 rupee is equal to 100 पैसे. ठीक है? 1 rupee we know that 100 पैसे. ठीक है? Now look at the 18 पैसे we have to convert in decimals. So rupees if you do that, 18 पैसे is equal to how much decimal we have to convert means we can write in rupees. Okay, 18 by 100 rupees. Okay, or is equal to, if that any fraction number of that denominator is 100, then we have to make it a decimal number. That means 0.180 rupees. Okay. Next same experiments we can go for the B. What is that? 325 percent. Okay, is equal to, what you can write? 325 by 100 is equal to 3.25 rupees. Same like C, 88 rupees, 88 percent. ठीक है, is equal to, what you get? 88 rupees already the whole part. ठीक है, and 80 what is that? पैसे is there. So we can do this. 88 is there, already there, but 88% what we can do? 88 by 100. So if you do this, we'll get this whole part. So 88 point. This if you get 88. So this is the. Okay, students. I hope you have understood about that. How to compare that decimal numbers. If that it is given that a 2 decimal number, how we will compare? Already I have told, first of all you have to check a whole part of the decimal. Whole part matlab this is whole part, this is whole part. First these two numbers you have to compare. Which one is greater? That decimal number is greater. If both whole part is equal, then you go for the 10th place. 10th place of the decimal number. If 10th place are, which one is greater? That decimal number is greater. If both 10th place are same, then you go for 100th place. As usual, like that, you have to go right side and you have to compare. Okay, students, I hope you have understand about the comparison of the two decimals or three decimals, and also how to convert the rupees in the decimals. Already we have understood that. Thank you all, students. Have a nice day.